heck is up, you guys? It's your boy HWM Gaming here, bringing you guys a new sauce-filled how-to video. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the link below, and the first link is going to bring you to the website Pixlr Editor. And as soon as you get in here, create a new image, make the width 2560 and the height 1440. And click transparent and click OK. So as soon as you're done that, you're going to want to go on the second link and go ahead and save this image to your desktop right here. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it, but then you're going to want to go to layer, open image as layer, and go ahead and open that up. And then you're going to want to come over here, click new layer, and go ahead and click the drawing tool and make sure it's on a rectangle. And then go ahead and outline the boxes with the rectangle tool. So as soon as you're done that, you're going to want to grab the text tool, click, and you're going to want to put your name right in the center here. I have a font that I highly recommend, which is Call of Ops Duty, and that will be the third link in the description. You're going to want to change the size to 130, and for this I really like italic, but you can do what you want. And for color, change it to white. Go ahead and click OK. And then, so it looks more professional, go ahead and drag this to the center. And then after that, you're going to want to go search up Instagram logo PNG. Once you find one, go ahead and save that to your desktop and come back into Pixlr. Go to layer, open image as layer, going ahead and open that up. As soon as that's done, go ahead and click edit, free transform, and while holding the shift key, drag it in to about that size and go ahead and drag it over here. Go ahead and click yes, and there it is. Then go ahead and search up Snapchat logo PNG, find the one you like, and go back into Pixlr and do the same. Go ahead and click edit, free transform, and resize this one. Then drag this one right over here. So after that's all done, you want to go back to this layer, go right click, layer styles, and go ahead and do a drop shadow. Opacity 100, distance around 5, and the size is put it to 5. Click OK. That just adds a little drop shadow, makes it look cleaner. Then go ahead and go to your Instagram. Go ahead and right click, layer styles, drop shadow, 100 opacity, 5 distance, and I like to add a few sizes on this as well. Go ahead and whatever color you prefer, go ahead and click that. I recommend black, and then just do the same with the Snapchat. So after this is all done, you're going to want to go ahead and type your social media, and then change the size back down to 30, change the color to white, and for this I bold and italic. Actually, I like Arial Black better. And then once you do that, you want to go to Move Tool, go ahead and drag it right beside here. And then, so you don't have to do extra work, let's go over here and duplicate layer, and just pull this right over next to the Snapchat. And after that, if you want to go back to your Instagram logo, go ahead and click right click, layer styles, and have an inner glow. Change the color to white. Okay. Change the opacity to 100 and size to 100. I think this looks better just because everything's white, so it's not just have one mix match color here. So after that, you want to go to the copy layer, layer styles, and do the same as you did with this one. The opacity 100, distance 5, and size 0. So once you do that, you want to look up whatever you like. I personally like this, so you go ahead and click save image as layer. I already have this image saved. Once you do that, go back to Pixlr, layer, open image as layer, go ahead and open that up. Go ahead and click edit, free transform, and hold shift and have this cover the whole picture. Go ahead and click yes, and you want to drag this layer down right below layer 2, so where it fits in right here. As soon as you do that, you can go ahead and move this where you want. I like it right about here. Once you do that, go ahead, and if you want to actually change the color here, go to adjustments, hue and saturation, and you can change what it looks like. Let's see, you can just play with it, find the colors you like. You can do colorize. I like this. And so once you do that, go ahead and look up the last and once you like yours, go ahead and look up black circle fade. And here I want you to look at an image just like these two. I already have one saved, so I'm just going to go back, do layer, open image as layer, and go ahead and open that. Go to free transform, hold shift. You want to resize this pretty big because it's just going to go on the outsides here. And then you're going to want to click yes and just duplicate layer, drag this, and you see how it has this little line right here? You just want to go to layer, rotate layer 180, then it fixes it. Go ahead and just drag it out here. And there you go. That's about it, guys. If you want to save it, go ahead and hit file, save, change the quality to 100. And if you want, I recommend doing it as a PNG. And go ahead and click OK. Save it where you want it saved. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next video.